there is now a new agreement which is expanding the access of HIV medicines in this business for last 10 years. And we are committed to supplying high quality and affordable medicines. From 2001, when there were only discussions about providing access to medicines, to today, when a large number of patients are already on treatment, and this helps in improving their quality of life and increases their lifespan very, very significantly. In this field, the hands of generics would have been relatively tied up if there were no partnerships with the originator companies. Gilead has taken a quantum jump in this area by coming in contact with generic companies and providing license to them to access their drugs or their innovative drugs and develop these drugs to provide access to generic versions which are lower cost and therefore expand the accessibility of the drugs for a large number of patients. This new agreement comes with what is so different about this agreement is that this agreement has taken place relatively early in the development. The drugs which are being licensed are in phase 3 and in due course of time they will get approved and the generic companies, after having signed the license, would be able to develop these drugs and provide access to these drugs in the developing countries much earlier. We have a license agreement with Gilead from 2006, like my other colleagues from Indian companies. It has been a very fruitful experience and relationship with them. Gilead has been very helpful into solving problems, and now we are here today after signing the new agreement. Ranbaxy remains committed to supplying these drugs to the needy, and we estimate that about 1.1 million patients in the developing countries are on our medicines. And after our agreement with Tenofovir, we have started providing Tenofovir into various countries. We also, the registrations are going on in many countries. And in South Africa, we are one of the major suppliers for Tenofovir. So once again, thank you very much.